How to clean your AirPods. Toothpicks, Q-tips, fun tack, alcohol, and a paper towel. Take the toothpick and remove the buildup along the edges. Next, take the fun tack, roll it into a ball, and gently push it into the grill and remove. Repeat this until all buildup is gone. Next, use a little isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip to clean up the area. Let them dry for a few moments, and they're clean. No more buildup. How to clean your AirPods case. Here's what you'll need: Q-tips, toothpick, cotton pad, microfiber towel, alcohol, and a magic eraser. Soak the cotton pad in the alcohol and dab on the microfiber towel. Then gently scrub the case. Next, take your toothpick and scrape all the edges and grooves. Wipe with towel. Dab the Q-tip in alcohol, then a dry rag, and clean the entire area thoroughly. Take your towel again and wipe away any dirt and grime. For the black marks, use a magic eraser and gently scrub, but be careful not to get it too wet. You want it almost as dry as possible. If they persist, you can try nail polish remover, but I don't recommend it. Finish with air in a can, and there you have it, a clean AirPod case. Like and follow for more.